This is an ECM from a Maxxforce DT 7.6 liter motor used in a variety of international trucks. This module came to ERD in a non-function condition and required extensive work to get it back online. As shown in the video, we powered up the module and checked to see its communications on its various buses. The screen is showing the actual digital data being sent and then passed back to our controller, which we set up and ran for some time to make sure the module did not prematurely shut down. After this module was repaired, we worked with the customer to reinstall and verify its full operation. ERD has an extensive background in truck controls, and we are constantly developing repair and testing procedures for every new module we receive.